Welcome to Hamilton Ridge in West Mobile, Alabama. My featured home of the day is 9798 Hamilton Ridge Drive North. This beautiful home is a Victorian floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom with 2.5 baths. It's over 2,300 square feet. It features quartz countertops in the kitchen, along with a tiled backsplash, a walk-in pantry, stainless steel appliances, a farm-style sink. It also has a covered back porch. Don't forget, this is a gold fortified home that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. This home comes standard with the smart home package. Come on in and let me show you around. The primary bath has a soaking tub and a separate tiled shower, dual vanities, and you have a fabulous walk-in closet. This home qualifies for USDA financing. That means no money down if you qualify. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, FrankieWink 3600. Don't forget, anytime you visit a D.R. Horton model home, let them know FrankieWink sent you. My services are free for buyers.